let's start with the video. Open Canva and select a page. Here I'm going to use mobile video. You can use Instagram Reels or any other custom size for your videos. First, go to the Elements section. Here you can use your own photos by uploading it to the Canva. Now for here I'm going to use this cake as my product image. Adjust the size of the image and place it to the center. Now select your page, go to background color option and add a color. Here I'm going to use color from photo colors. Now to create these backgrounds more eye-catchy, let's make them gradient shades. So go to background color options, hover over the color under the document color options. Now on this settings menu you will get this option. From here first copy the code of the color. Now go to this gradient option. Select your second color which is automatically changed or applied over here and paste the code which we have copied earlier. Now click on this plus icon one more time. Go to the middle color and adjust the intensity of the color. Here you can see that we have the gradient colors in our backgrounds. Now let's go to the Elements section and add some shadows to our image. Place it exactly below to the main image and go to Transparency option to adjust the transparency of the shadow effect. Now select this shadow effect and your main image together and group them. Now select your cake and shadow element which we have grouped together and go to Animate option. Scroll down and select Breathe Animation Style. Now here we are going to adjust some settings for our animations. Adjust the scale to the full and click on In. That is, our animation will be played to the in direction. Next, we are going to add some elements to our designs as this is a cupcake which is of pistachio flavors. So add the image of pista. Now go to edit image option and click on BG remover to remove the background. Now again go to edit image option, scroll down and you will get this blur option under effects. Select this and go to the whole image option and adjust the intensity to blur your image. Now click on edit image and this image is on your design. Adjust the size of your element or the photos and use this button to rotate them into different directions. Now here I'm going to duplicate this for several times and place them on your page according to your design. This is how I have placed my all the elements on the page. Now select your main image and left click and go to this lock option and click on lock. Now your image has been locked and you will be unable to do further editing for this image. I've done this to select my all the elements on the page at a time without selecting my main image. Now make them small all together and place to the center of the main image. Now select any element or image from your design. Go to position option. Select your main image, unlock it and drag it to the upside, and we are going to place this our main image of the cupcake on the top. So we have done with our first slide. Now duplicate this slide with the shortcut Ctrl D, or you can select this image, left click on the page and click on this option to duplicate your page. Now on second page I'm going to make all my elements visible. So select any image on the page, go to position option and add your main image to the last slide. Now you will be able to see all your elements. Now select your main image and make it a lock for Now select all your elements together again and adjust them to your page to make them visible. Now select your main image, unlock it, go to the animation option, scroll down and at the end click on remove animation option to remove the animations from the second page. Now here I'm going to duplicate my this second slide. Now you have to repeat same process and select your main image, go to position option, left click and make it lock. Now select all your elements together, make them smaller, place them to the center and now go to position option, select your main image again, unlock it and bring it to the front side or on the top layer. Now here I'm going to add some animations again to my main image, so select it, go to animate option. Now apply succession animation style. Here adjust the speed and intensity. Now from the animate option click on exit option. Now add a page. And now here on the last slide I'm going to add my text. So add a text box and type your text to this. Now let's adjust the size of our text. Now place this text to the center, go to text color option and change the text color. Now go to this spacing option and adjust the line spacing. Now go to effect option and I'm going to use lift effect and add its intensity up to 100. Now adjust the text and place it to the center. Now go to animate option, scroll down and use same succession animation. Now here we are going to keep this animate on enter. Adjust the speed and the intensity of the animations. Now we are going to add transitions between our pages. So go to the center of the two pages and you will get these two options, add page and transitions. Select add transition option and use match and move transition style. Here I'm going to make the duration to 2.5 seconds and click on apply between all the pages. Now at the last we are going to adjust the timing for our each page. Go to edit timing option and I'm going to make timing to 1.0 and click on this button to apply this timing to all the pages. Let's add some music to our video. So I'm going to go to the apps option. Now here under apps, go to this generate soundtracks with AI music option. Now open it. Now here I'm going to use some dynamic styles and the moods for my music. You can adjust the settings for your music. Set the duration in seconds and click on button compose. Now here let's play our video and see our results. So friends, this is how I have created these animation videos in Canva for my food products. If you have loved and enjoyed this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos.